What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys, or in today's video we are going to be deploying a smart contract token on the Ethereum test net. Okay, so this token, we can also deploy this token on Ethereum mainnet. This token, we can also deploy this token on Ethereum mainnet and other mainnets, other blockchain network, and we're going to use Foundry. So the good thing about using Foundry is that we don't need to use any other third-party application. Okay, so using Foundry, we can just easily deploy our smart contracts directly from our PC, directly from our Visual Studio Code, okay, or directly from our terminal. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys how we can how we're going to deploy a smart contract. So guys, this is a simple token smart contract. Okay, so and is this smart contract is this token that we're going to be deploying on the Ethereum test net. The name of this smart contract is President Trump. Okay, so we're just going to use this as an example to celebrate Trump's recent victory. Okay, so the name of the token is going to be called President Trump, and the symbol is PRT. So it has a total supply of 10 million tokens. We can add, okay, let's just make it 11. Okay, so we can change this to any supply, and let's just save this file. Okay, so as you can see, this is our Foundry project, and we are going to deploy this smart contract right now on the Ethereum testnet. We can deploy it on any blockchain network, any mainnet or testnet, but for the purpose of this video, we're just going to deploy it on the Ethereum testnet. Okay, so let's do that right away. So let's open our terminal. I have Foundry installed, and this is a Foundry project. Okay, deploy. This is the Solidity contract token source code that we are going to deploy. So in order to deploy, let's just start. So let's just type forge script. I'm just going to press tab to autocomplete, then script again, then deploy President Trump.sol. So this is the script we're actually running on Foundry. So we're going to pass our RPC URL. Okay, so let's just type that. We're going to pass in our Sepolia RPC URL. So let's just do that here. Okay. Then next we are going to pass in our private key. Okay, so we need a Ethereum wallet, a MetaMask wallet, an Ethereum wallet, any wallet that has any small amounts to sign our transaction fee. Okay, so let's just pass in our private key. So let's go to our MetaMask and get our private key. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'll be deploying this token on the Ethereum testnet, the Ethereum Sepolia testnet, and I'm going to use this account. As you can see, this account has some balance, right? So this is the account we're going to use. So let's just get our private key, because we're going to use our private key to sign our the transaction, right? So let's just confirm this. So we're just going to copy this private key and we're going to paste it here. So we're going to write / broadcast. So once we're done, guys, we're just going to hit enter. As you can see, guys, it's compiling. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Is it actually broadcasting our transaction to the Ethereum testnet? So let's just allow it for it to be mimed. So it's taking a while, so let's just give it some time. Voila, guys, it was successful. We were able to deploy this smart contract token on the Ethereum testnet, and we can deploy this smart contract token on any other network of our choice, right? So all we need is the RPC URL of any of the network and the private keys that we're going to use to pay for the gas fee. So let's just check. give us a transaction hash and give us the contract address. So we're just going to copy this. So we're going to go to the tutorial testnet and we're just going to paste this here. This is the transaction hash and this is the smart contract we just created. So guys, how were we able to create a smart contract token? How were we able to deploy a smart contract token to the Ethereum testnet? Also any testnet using Foundry, okay, without using any third-party application, just directly from our PC, directly from our laptop. So how were we able to do that? That's what I'm going to be showing you guys now in a step-by-step method. So as you can see, this is a new folder. So this folder is completely empty. I'm going to show you guys how to create a Foundry project, how to import the smart contract you want to deploy, how to write your deployment script, and how to deploy your smart contract directly from your PC to any network of your choice. Okay, so we just created a new folder, right? We're going to open this folder in Visual Studio Code. Okay, so let's just copy this address. So we're just going to copy the address. So we're going to go to the folder address. So right now we're in the folder address. So I'm trying to open this folder in Visual Studio Code. Okay, so we're just going to type code space first stop, enter. This is the folder that as you can see, this is the folder President Trump's token folder, right? So this is the folder. So what we're going to do, we're just going to bring up our terminal so we can come to view and terminal. So we're just going to bring up our terminal. As you can see, this is the PowerShell terminal. This is because I'm using Windows. So we're just going to change this to WSL. So as you can see, it has loaded. So let's just clear this. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do now, we're going to create a Foundry project. So let's just start that. Let's just type forge in it. I'm going to enter. As you can see, guys, it's creating a Foundry project. Okay, so let's just give it some time. We have successfully created a Foundry project. And if you check this Foundry project, it comes with a test file. It comes with a source. So this is where we're going to put our smart contract, the code that we want to deploy to the network, to any network. And this is the script file. So Foundry comes with default files. So we're just going to delete all these files, right? So let's just delete all these files. 1, 2, 3, delete. Okay, so we're going to be creating our own new source file. Okay, so let's just do that. So let's create a new file. So this file is going to be called President Trump.sol, right? So we're also going to create a script file. So in Foundry, if we're using if we're working with a script file, we're just going to rename it as President Trump.s.sol. So we have created 2 files. These are the 2 files that we're going to use. Okay, so now let's get our token. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I got my token from ChatGPT, right? So we're just going to copy this and let's go to our file. We're just going to paste this, then we're going to rename this. The token is going to be called President Trump. And I just make this 11 million tokens to be deployed. So as you can see, let's just take this out. As you can see, this is our simple smart contract token that we're going to deploy on the Ethereum testnet. Okay, so now let's go to our deploy script. So for our deploy script, we are going to just copy and paste this script here. Okay, so this is the Solidity code. So if we're working with scripts, we have to import scripts, and using Foundry, we have to import script from forge.std/scripts.sol. Then we're also going to import the smart contract code that we want to deploy In that case, is this one, President Trump, as you can see. So we're going to create a new contract script, and we're going to run the function start broadcast. Let's just go ahead and deploy this smart contract token. So there are two things we need to deploy this token. Okay, number one, we need an RPC URL to broadcast our transaction, and number two, we need an Ethereum account to actually sign this transaction. Okay, so we need an Ethereum account with a little bit of money in it, or a little bit of Ether, or whatever network we are using. If we're going to use Polygon, we need a little bit of the Polygon native token, but in this case we are going to use the superior Ethereum testnet. So all we need is an Ethereum account, a MetaMask account with some balance in it, and for the purpose of this video we're going to use this account, right? So as you can see, this account has a little bit of superior Ethereum ETH in it, so this is what we are going to use. And we're also going to use Alchemy. We're going to use Alchemy RPC URL. Okay, so if you don't know what RPC is, so there are different services that provide us with RPC URL. So this is Alchemy. So Alchemy is actually free. You can just come here and you can just search for Alchemy, create an account with them. It's very easy to sign up and it's free. Just sign in with Google, and you're going to get they're going to give you an RPC URL that we're going to use. As you can see, they can provide up to 60 different networks, different blockchains. As you can see, these are all of them. So I just enabled just 4. I can enable more if I want. So this is the world chain mainnet. That if I want to deploy my smart contract, if I want to deploy our smart contract to the mainnet, we can easily enable it or the testnet and save. As you can see, we can deploy to over 60 network. So just go ahead. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to deploy into the Ethereum testnet network. So we're going to be using this URL. Okay, so now let's go back to our code. Okay, so now let's bring up our terminal. So now we're going to deploy this smart contract to the Ethereum testnet. So how we're going to do that? We're just going to run this deployment script. We're going to run this deployment. So we're just going to type forge, and we're going to type script. We're going to type script again, and we're going to type deploy President Trump.solve. Okay, so now what we're going to do now, we're going to pass our RPC URL. So we're just going to type --RPC URL space, then we come to Alchemy and copy this URL. So you can use any RPC node of your choice, right? We're going to space. Then we're also going to pass in our private key to sign this transaction and pay for the gas fee. So we're just going to type this --private key space. Then we're using this account that has some balance, so we're just going to account details, show private key. So we're going to copy this private key and we're going to paste it here, --broadcast. We're going to hit enter. As you can see, guys, it's compiling. Is actually broadcasting our transaction to the Ethereum testnet. So let's just allow it for it to be mimed. So it's taking a while, so we'll just give it some time. Voila, guys, it was successful. We were able to deploy this smart contract token on the Ethereum testnet, and we can deploy this smart contract token on any other network of our choice, right? So All we need is the RPC URL of any of the network and the private keys that we're going to use to pay for the gas fee. So let's just check. Give us a transaction hash and give us the contract address. So I'm just going to copy this. So we're going to go to the Superior testnet and we're just going to paste this here. This is the transaction hash and this is the smart contract we just created. As you can see, it's from this address. So let's just check the address now. This is this 7C. As you can see, 7DC. Sorry, this is C7E. As you can see, it's the same address that we used to deploy this smart contract. Okay, so let us check this smart contract that we just deployed. So let's open this in a new tab. See token. So this is the token precedent. It was just deployed 1 minute ago. Okay, so we're able to deploy a smart contract directly from our Visual Studio Code. Okay, we didn't use any third-party application, and we can also use the same method to deploy on the mainnet, on Binance mainnet, Ethereum mainnet, Polygon mainnet, any network, any blockchain of your choice using Foundry and directly from your PC. So guys, if you want me to help you deploy your smart contract code, or if you want me to help you deploy a code for you, if you want me to help you create a token for you rather, just head over to konvati.com/withdraw, redirect it to me. Just let me know what you want me to do for you. Or if you want me to help you audit your smart contract, just head over to konvati.com/withdraw. You'll be redirected to me. So just let me know how I can help you. As you can see, guys, so this is the token President Trump. So you know, he recently election. As you can see, guys, we have a total supply of 11 million PRT President Trump. Okay, and as you can see, we currently have one holder. So this is the token President Trump. So guys, we can actually add liquidity to this token and start trading this token. But this is the testnet. Don't forget, guys, this is the Superior testnet. This is not the mainnet, but it's still the same process on the mainnet. Just that the mainnet we have to have some ETH, some Ethereum, right? So guys, if you're still watching this video, I want to say a very, very big congratulations. You have actually learned how to use Foundry and directly deploy your smart contract to any network of your choice. Okay, you don't need to use a third party. You just have to have the source code, and that's all. You can use Foundry and deploy this smart contract. In my case, I deployed a simple token with 11 million supply on Ethereum testnet. Okay, see you guys in my next video. If you want to learn how to install Foundry, just I have a video on that, how you can install Foundry on your PC. Alright guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give this video a thumbs down, but let me know the reason in the comment section below. See you guys in my next video.